I've summed up my 5 takeaways and thoughts about this book in this video. I highly recommend you to read the original book of the author. Please share with me your opinion about this book in the comments below. The Guide to Financial Markets, published by The Economist, is an excellent resource for anyone seeking to understand the complex world of finance. The book covers a wide range of topics related to financial markets, from the basics of investing to advanced trading strategies. The book begins with an overview of the different types of financial markets, including equity markets, debt markets, and foreign exchange markets. It then delves into the mechanics of these markets, explaining how prices are determined and how investors can buy and sell securities. One of the strengths of the book is its clear and concise explanations of complex financial concepts. The authors use a variety of examples and analogies to help readers understand topics like risk management, derivatives, and options trading. The Guide to Financial Markets also covers the role of financial intermediaries, such as banks and investment firms, and the regulations that govern their activities. The authors explain the benefits and drawbacks of different types of investment vehicles, from mutual funds to hedge funds to private equity. The book also provides insights into the behavior of financial markets, including the factors that can cause prices to fluctuate and the impact of news events on investor sentiment. The authors offer advice on how to read financial statements and evaluate the performance of companies and investment funds. In addition to its informative content, the Guide to Financial Markets is also well organized and easy to navigate. The book is divided into chapters that focus on different aspects of financial markets, and each chapter includes helpful charts and graphs. The glossary at the end of the book is also a useful reference for readers who are unfamiliar with financial terminology. Overall, The Guide to Financial Markets is an excellent resource for anyone seeking to gain a deeper understanding of the world of finance. The book is accessible to readers of all levels of experience, and its comprehensive coverage of the topic makes it a valuable addition to any investor's library. The first point of The Economist's Guide to Financial Markets is that the book provides an overview of financial markets, including the basics of investing and advanced trading strategies. The book is a comprehensive resource that covers a wide range of topics related to financial markets. For readers who are new to the world of finance, the book offers an excellent introduction to the fundamental concepts of investing. It explains the various types of financial instruments, such as stocks, bonds, and currencies, and how they work. The book also provides advice on how to start investing, including the importance of diversification, the use of index funds, and the benefits of long-term investing. For more experienced investors, the book delves into advanced trading strategies, such as technical analysis and quantitative investing. It also covers the role of financial intermediaries, such as banks and investment firms, and the regulations that govern their activities. Overall, The Economist's Guide to Financial Markets is an excellent resource for anyone seeking to gain a deeper understanding of the world of finance. It is accessible to readers of all levels of experience, and its comprehensive coverage of the topic makes it a valuable addition to any investor's library. The second point of The Economist's Guide to Financial Markets is that the book covers different types of financial markets, such as equity markets, debt markets, and foreign exchange markets. The equity market is where investors buy and sell shares of publicly traded companies. In this market, the price of a share reflects the perceived value of the company and its future earnings potential. The book explains the different types of stocks available, such as common stock and preferred stock, and how to evaluate a company's financial health before investing in it. The debt market, on the other hand, is where investors can buy and sell bonds issued by governments or companies. Unlike stocks, bonds provide a fixed income stream and are typically less risky than stocks. The book explains the different types of bonds available, such as government bonds and corporate bonds, and how to evaluate the creditworthiness of the issuer before investing in them. The foreign exchange market, also known as the forex market, is where currencies are bought and sold. This market is essential for international trade and investment, and its value is affected by a variety of factors, such as interest rates and geopolitical events. The book explains how exchange rates are determined and how investors can use the forex market to diversify their portfolios. Overall, by covering different types of financial markets, The Economist's Guide to Financial Markets provides readers with a comprehensive understanding of the various investment opportunities available to them. The third point of The Economist's Guide to Financial Markets is that the book explains how prices are determined and how investors can buy and sell securities. In financial markets, the price of a security reflects the supply and demand for that security. If there are more buyers than sellers, the price of the security will rise, and vice versa. The book explains how the mechanics of buying and selling securities work, including how orders are placed, how trades are executed, and how settlement occurs. The book also covers different types of orders that investors can use to buy or sell securities, such as market orders, limit orders, and stop orders. It explains the benefits and drawbacks of each type of order and provides advice on when to use them. In addition, the book discusses different types of trading strategies, such as day trading, swing trading, and position trading. It explains the risks and rewards of each type of strategy and offers tips on how to create a successful trading plan. Overall, by providing a clear explanation of how prices are determined and how investors can buy and sell securities, The Economist's Guide to Financial Markets empowers readers to make informed decisions when investing in financial markets. The fourth point of The Economist's Guide to Financial Markets is that the book covers the role of financial intermediaries and the regulations that govern their activities. Financial intermediaries are entities that facilitate the flow of capital between investors and borrowers. Examples of financial intermediaries include banks, investment firms, and insurance companies. These intermediaries play a critical role in the functioning of financial markets, as they help to connect savers with borrowers. The book explains the different types of financial intermediaries and how they operate. It covers topics such as fractional reserve banking, underwriting, and asset management. It also discusses the regulations that govern the activities of financial intermediaries, such as the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) and the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority (FINRA). One of the main regulatory frameworks that governs financial intermediaries is the Dodd-Frank Wall Street Reform and Consumer Protection Act. The book explains the key provisions of this legislation and how it has affected the financial industry. Overall, by covering the role of financial intermediaries and the regulations that govern their activities, The Economist's Guide to Financial Markets provides readers with a better understanding of the infrastructure that underpins financial markets. This understanding can help investors make more informed decisions and navigate the complex world of finance. The fifth point of The Economist's Guide to Financial Markets is that the book provides insights into the behavior of financial markets, including the factors that can cause prices to fluctuate and the impact of news events on investor sentiment. Financial markets are constantly evolving and subject to a wide range of external factors that can influence prices. The book examines these factors in detail and provides insights into how they can impact financial markets. One such factor is macroeconomic events, such as changes in interest rates or inflation. The book explains how these events can affect different types of financial instruments, such as bonds and stocks, and provides advice on how to adjust investment strategies accordingly. Another factor that can impact financial markets is geopolitical events, such as political unrest or changes in trade policy. The book discusses the impact of these events on financial markets and provides advice on how to manage risk during times of uncertainty. In addition, the book covers the psychology of financial markets and how investor sentiment can impact prices. It explains the concept of herd behavior, where investors follow the actions of others, and how this behavior can lead to market bubbles and crashes. Overall, by providing insights into the behavior of financial markets and the factors that can impact prices, The Economist's Guide to Financial Markets helps investors understand the forces that drive financial markets and make more informed investment decisions. The sixth point of The Economist's Guide to Financial Markets is that the book offers advice on how to read financial statements and evaluate the performance of companies and investment funds. Financial statements, such as balance sheets and income statements, provide important information about the financial health of a company or investment fund. The book explains how to read these statements and understand the key metrics that are used to evaluate performance, such as earnings per share and price-to-earnings ratios. The book also covers different types of investment funds, such as mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and explains how to evaluate their performance. It discusses the importance of diversification and asset allocation and offers tips on how to construct a well-diversified portfolio. In addition, the book covers different investment strategies, such as value investing and growth investing, and explains the pros and cons of each approach. It also covers the importance of risk management and offers advice on how to manage risk through strategies such as stop-loss orders and position sizing. Overall, by offering advice on how to read financial statements and evaluate the performance of companies and investment funds, The Economist's Guide to Financial Markets provides readers with the tools they need to make informed investment decisions. The seventh point of The Economist's Guide to Financial Markets is that the book explains the benefits and drawbacks of different types of investment vehicles, from mutual funds to hedge funds to private equity. Investment vehicles are financial instruments that allow investors to pool their money together and invest in a diversified portfolio of assets. The book provides an overview of different types of investment vehicles and helps readers understand the benefits and drawbacks of each. One of the most popular types of investment vehicles is the mutual fund. Mutual funds are managed by professional fund managers who invest the money pooled from investors in a diversified portfolio of assets. The book explains the benefits and drawbacks of mutual funds, such as their low costs and ease of use, as well as their potential lack of flexibility and active management. Another type of investment vehicle is the hedge fund. Hedge funds are typically only available to accredited investors and are managed by professional fund managers who use complex investment strategies to try to outperform the market. The book explains the benefits and drawbacks of hedge funds, such as their potential for high returns and active management, as well as their potential for high fees and lack of transparency. The book also covers private equity, which involves investing in privately held companies that are not publicly traded. Private equity investments are typically only available to accredited investors and involve a high degree of risk. The book explains the potential benefits and drawbacks of private equity investments, such as their potential for high returns and illiquidity, as well as the high degree of risk involved. Overall, by explaining the benefits and drawbacks of different types of investment vehicles, The Economist's Guide to Financial Markets helps readers make more informed investment decisions and choose the best vehicles for their investment goals and risk tolerance. The eighth point of The Economist's Guide to Financial Markets is that the book covers risk management, derivatives, and options trading. Risk management is an important aspect of investing, as it involves identifying potential risks and taking steps to minimize them. The book explains different types of risks, such as market risk, credit risk, and liquidity risk, and provides advice on how to manage these risks through diversification, asset allocation, and hedging strategies. Derivatives are financial instruments that derive their value from an underlying asset, such as a stock or a commodity. The book explains different types of derivatives, such as futures contracts and options, and how they can be used to manage risk or speculate on market movements. It also covers the risks associated with derivatives, such as counterparty risk and volatility risk. Options trading involves buying or selling options contracts, which give the buyer the right to buy or sell an underlying asset at a predetermined price. The book explains the mechanics of options trading and the different strategies that can be used, such as call options and put options. It also covers the risks associated with options trading, such as time decay and the potential for unlimited losses. Overall, by covering risk management, derivatives, and options trading, The Economist's Guide to Financial Markets helps readers understand the complex world of finance and manage risk more effectively. The book provides practical advice on how to identify and manage risks, as well as how to use derivatives and options to achieve investment objectives. The ninth point of The Economist's Guide to Financial Markets is that the book provides helpful charts and graphs and is organized into chapters that focus on different aspects of financial markets. Charts and graphs can be powerful tools for visualizing complex data and understanding trends in financial markets. The book includes a range of charts and graphs that illustrate key concepts and trends in financial markets, such as stock price movements and bond yields. In addition, the book is organized into chapters that focus on different aspects of financial markets, such as equity markets, debt markets, and foreign exchange markets. This organization helps readers navigate the complex world of finance and understand how different markets interact with each other. The book also includes summaries at the end of each chapter, which help readers review and reinforce key concepts. These summaries provide a useful reference tool for readers who want to revisit specific topics or refresh their understanding of key concepts. Overall, by providing helpful charts and graphs and being well organized, The Economist's Guide to Financial Markets is a valuable resource for readers who want to deepen their understanding of financial markets. The book's clear and concise presentation of information makes it accessible to readers of all levels of experience. The 10th point of The Economist's Guide to Financial Markets is that the book is accessible to readers of all levels of experience and is a valuable addition to any investor's library. The book is written in a clear and concise style, making it easy to understand for readers who are new to finance. At the same time, it covers advanced topics and strategies that will be of interest to experienced investors. This broad appeal makes the book a valuable resource for readers of all levels of experience who want to deepen their understanding of financial markets. The book's comprehensive coverage of financial markets and investment strategies also makes it a valuable addition to any investor's library. Whether you are a novice investor just starting out or a seasoned professional looking to refine your skills, The Economist's Guide to Financial Markets provides valuable insights and practical advice. In addition, the book is updated regularly to reflect changes in the financial industry and new developments in financial markets. This ensures that readers have access to the latest information and insights. Overall, The Economist's Guide to Financial Markets is a must-read for anyone who wants to deepen their understanding of the world of finance. Its accessible style, comprehensive coverage, and practical advice make it a valuable resource for readers of all levels of experience. Thank you for your interest in this book. Please leave your feedback on these thoughts in the comments below, or just put a like on this video. It will help me stay motivated and make more videos like this. In the description of this video, you may find links where you can purchase this book.